everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a absolute sweetheart 1964 Ford Ranchero, killer little truck, car, SUV, whatever you want to refer to it as, but just beautiful, man. Really cool restoration on it. It's about a 10-12-year-old body up restoration. This is what they did. They took a 40-something thousand mile original Ranchero with just a rock solid body and then upgraded all the running gear. It's got a late model 5.0 HO EFI engine in it with an AOD trans, complete Mustang II tubular front suspension on it, disc brakes, air, rack and pinion steering. So just a wicked cool car, man. Fun to drive. It's got the stock 3.0 gear in the rear, so it's not wicked fast out of the hole. But let me tell you something. You get rolling down the road, drop this thing down a gear and let it rip. This thing rocks. Good, solid, straight body. This is the original color combination. It's that original Wimbledon white, which Ford is famous for. It's got the original black vinyl interior, and it is cool, guys. Very nice car. It a couple little finger marks on it, but guys out here open the hoods. I know there's a couple little touch-up marks on it as you walk around it, but very nice. Got the original grille in it. Bumpers are nice. Slick paint. They put the old style American Racing Torque Thrust D wheels. It's got some aftermarket mirrors on it. Glass is nice. Fit and finish is excellent on the truck. Bed is slick as can be. Love the tail lights on this thing. I think they are very cool. This one, I think, one of the coolest emblems there is. These things are neat, man. They're not easy to find, especially clean like this. Nice and straight down the sides. Uniroyal rubber all the way around it with those American Racing Torque Thrusts. They look great. Truck sits good. Like I say, it goes down the road just as straight as can be. I mean, there's no squeaks, no rattles. This thing just drives great. Good, solid, straight body. Mustang II front suspension with disc brakes, rack and pinion steering. Again, it's got the 5-liter HO late model engine in it, AOD, automatic overdrive trans, a lot of cool options, man. Again, it's got that front suspension on it, power rack and pinion steering. Nice set of Hooker Super Comp ceramic headers, power disc brakes. Really turnkey, man. Thing fires up, drives out great. Your original VIN still stamped on your inner fender. Like I say, they took a low mileage, super clean truck and then just upgraded everything on it. Could not come close to building this truck for what we're asking for. I'll tell you that right now. I think these are original. You can see how nice the stuff like that is. I think that stuff's original. Original door tag. You can see how clean the door seams are. This stuff's supposed to be all original. I think the carpet's original. Factory bench seat. They did put a aftermarket tilt column in it with, it's got a Grant GT steering wheel. This is original. Headliner's nice. Again, tilt column. 48,510. That's supposed to be the right miles on the car. Factory dash. It's got a B&M Quicksilver shifter in it. Aftermarket Retrosounds radio. I think everything on the doggone car worked too. H-pipe dual exhaust system in it. It's got a stock 300 rear end. Look how clean this thing is in here. Bed's nice. I think I might be able to do this with one hand. Push this over. Clean truck. Nice underneath. Something you just really don't see. How clean those door skins are. Seat's nice. That's killer. Fit and finish is great. All your gauges are functional, holding good oil pressure. Everything opens and closes real nice. Love those tail lights, man. There's no reverse lights in them, Nathan. Like I say, it rocks, man. This thing, it'll surprise you with how it runs. Blower motor works, radio works. Doors open and close just as smooth as can be. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys.